Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have ULANZI D200 Stream Deck and I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage your profiles. So as you can see here, we are in our ULANZI Deck application, and if you know how to install this application, that's good, but if you don't know, you can check it on our channel. We have a video for it, which is called how to install the ULANZI Deck application for the Windows and MacBook. And as you can see here in our main menu, we have default profile. We have to click on it, and here we have to click edit profile. Now as you can see in profile section, we have here default profile, profile 1, profile 2. Here to manage profiles, as you can see, we have application none if we select our our profiles, and it can automatically start after opening some application, for example Xbox PC application or NVIDIA overlay. We can manage the location of our profiles by just covering this and moving this up or down. Here as you can see, we can set this file as a default one. The default profile is the default one, and here we have import profile, and if we click on it we can select our profile out of the file, and we can delete profile. And for example, I want to delete the profile 1, we can click delete profile here. Here as you can see, we have the prompt delete select profile 1, okay. And now we have only default profile and profile 2. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.